What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna be changing the suspension on Travis's 540. Yeah, my my freaking light just fell off my setup, but that's great. But yeah, we just went through hell trying to get batteries.
See what happened? I just knew something happened.
Yeah, bro, the light fell. That's why we just got the batteries. But yeah, we're this. We gotta get all this stuff out. We just took all this pieces out the speaker.
Come on this side, just to
light.
see. You can see.
Hold on, let me go. Since we're not hand holding the light, do it a little bit more. There we go. Suspension. that's what we did all of that for. Look.
Now we can see
what we did all of this for.
Yeah, now we can see the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. We ain't even bothered taking the wheels off yet.
Facts. Like, yo, we literally ain't doing nothing yet, bro. Like, I don't know. We still got a lot of work to do, but okay, boys. So we just got this side taken out over here. This is the stock one, and then yeah. Took all that work to do, and then yeah, we're just gonna the new ones are over there somewhere, but yeah, we're gonna switch. The other side is giving us hell. We've been trying to do the other side, but for some reason, bro, it's not giving out. I don't know what it is. It's not giving out. We try to torch the shit, bro, and it ain't work. I don't know what to do, bro. So one thing we haven't tried though is like a breaker system, and we're definitely about to get demonetized with this music, so I'll be back. So we're about to put these babies in. It's okay, baby. But yeah, we're about to turn on the light. It's like a little knob. Light not on.
Oh, there we go. Shit.
Okay, baby, go. Pretty sure they're gonna hear that. Yeah, let's turn this music off real quick. We're gonna get copyrighted.
You're gonna have to just
like when somebody's cheating. Hey, that's cool. Oh, yeah, bring me some light. Turn off the light. Yeah, let me see your headlight. Oof. Okay, boys, so we got this thing all the way in. This microphone is about to get crushed up there, so I'm gonna just switch it. So we got this thing in now, and we just about to bolt everything up where it's supposed to be bolted up, and we're about to be on the way. Let me show you the other side.
Oh, sorry.
You don't want to step in that oil now. It's gonna be a slippery day. But yeah, we got both sides in. So we still ain't even doing nothing on the front yet. But yeah, we're not even gonna do the fronts today. We're probably gonna get the fronts down next week, tomorrow. I don't know yet, but the fronts may not be on camera because me and Travis work at 2 separate times during the week. He works, you know, Monday through whatever, and I don't work. I don't work. You feel me? Like, it's too much going on behind the scenes. Just so you guys know, we probably won't have the front on camera. The back though, we got that packed.
The back's coming together.
Yeah, the back is almost done.
Doing his thing.
4 hours later. Not literally, not exaggerating, guys. Swear to God.
That one.
So let me know if you like it, right? Yeah. You should just wrap this bitch green and call it a day, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Green and orange, I thought so.
Yeah, bro. No politics. Then the other side. You'll be working from the other side, so. If you need a hand, just say the word. I think you're too high. Yeah. Right there, right there. Bro, this light is surprisingly bright, bro. I thought this shit was about to be a fluke. I could legit change wherever I'm recording now. And don't forget to close out that video on me inside of the house. Boom. Oh yeah, boys, if any of you guys decide to do this by yourself, I would suggest having a lift and all these handy dandy tools, extensions and all that shit, because boy, we took 4 hours worth of lift and tools, just to give you an idea. And we both have some kind of mechanical experience. His is legit, but you know, I've worked on my own car. Shit, I did my suspension. At least half of it. See what I mean by all these handy dandy extensions? It's not on and we are done. Try doing that with a freaking regular spanner. Oh yeah. We're officially now, well, finished with the rear. Let's get a time update. It's now. Oh, me?
We took the plastic off first, right?
What plastic? hold on, let me turn this off. Okay, ladies and gents, so we're at this point where almost everything is back together. We're just finishing up, you know, this inner lining. Man, this shit was hell to put back. Like I said, guys, if you decide to do this yourself, man, make sure you have the proper equipment, because it's no joke, boys. But yeah, the car has to get a wash now. Literally, look at my hands, bro. Look at this shit. But yeah, the video got to get done. See, we're struggling on this side still to get shit done. Like, yo, at this point, we're legit over this shit, bro.
Over it.
Oh, yeah. You got to see it through, my boy. Cool. Oh, yeah, guys. So we're at the stage now where, yeah, it's time to
Let's start.
all this hard work about to see how much it paid off. Let's go. Let's go. Even though we ain't gonna get a true height because it gotta settle, but let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Not gonna lie, thought it was gonna tuck. Is that side tucking? Is that side tucking?
No, not yet. This is actually good. It's actually drivable.
Because when you do the thing that when you get on the power, the back is gonna dip anyways.
Yeah. That's if it can even dip with that situation. Anyways, it's gonna settle and get at least an inch lower. So right now we have
Finger and a half.
this one finger.
Gotcha.
But I'm pretty sure it's gonna drop.
Oh yeah, so we're gonna have to get a true height. Hopefully Travis sends me a video tomorrow of the true height, or a picture at least. Actually, yeah, just bring it outside in the morning, take a picture. I'll just use it for the thumbnail. Yeah, so. Yeah.
Last thing left.
I'm gonna catch up with you guys in a minute. We're gonna close it out, but for now, I mean, like I said, it looks pretty good so far. Once it settles, we'll see a true height, right height. Wow, right height, and yeah. I mean, hey, I did it backwards. I got the rims last, but yeah. Now you actually see what the setup is gonna look like as soon as you lower it.
I'm actually gonna put the
And you don't lower it and have a weird offset.
portion back.
But yeah, guys, like I said, we're gonna finish off here, and then I'm gonna catch up with you guys before I leave, and I just close it out and see you guys in a minute.